Hello stockers, welcome back to the channel. Dubai financial market is now looking very bullish. Today's closing is very impressive. Let's check out the index first and then we analyze some stocks. With that, let's start the video. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Let's have a quick recap. We know that previous resistance was around 3,220. Market broke this resistance with this solid green candle. The same day, second resistance was also broken, that was around 3,240. At the same time, we know that market have retested the lower support zone with this red candle. This is a hammer candle. Let's mark our support zone right here at 3,200 zone. Now previously we know this zone was resistance. Previously market was trying to cross, it got rejected, and then the same zone right here should potentially act as a support. It did not, and market broke the support zone. So support once broken will potentially act as a resistance. We can see inverted hammer candle, wick at the top indicating selling pressure. The same process repeats again and again. Support once broken will act as a resistance potentially, and resistance once broken will act as a support potentially. We can see previously this zone was resistance. Right here, now it's acting as support. We can see long wick at the bottom indicating market have touched this zone and moved up. This is a good indication that buyers are sitting in this area and they want to push the market to the upside. As of now, market have closed at a very interesting level, 3,278. We know previously market got rejected in this zone. We have a history here as well that market got rejected. As of now, market is trying to cross this for the third time. Most likely market will cross this resistance this time. Why is it? Market have spent 3 to 4 days right near the resistance and now it's trying to move up. It means buyers were accumulated here. Now market is ready to go upside. If I remove the drawings and use the Fibonacci tool, we can have a small target that where the market will go potentially. If I use the Fibonacci tool, this is the swing low, so we mark our lower zone here. This was the swing high. From here market started to retrace, so I will highlight only till here. This is today's candle. So where are the targets potentially? First target we can see that is 3,305 right here. Second target is 3,350. Now there are good chances tomorrow market might retrace, come back for a correction. This is an important zone, so market will definitely come back for a correction and then move slowly to the upside, hitting the target. This was the index. Let's check out some stocks. Emaar Properties today helped the index go higher. If you have missed my detailed analysis on Emaar that I had posted yesterday, I will put an iCard on top right. You can click the link and watch in detail so that you understand how the price action works. As of now, just a quick recap. Emaar Properties is within this symmetrical triangle pattern. This pattern is bullish. It have closed right near the resistance. This is a good place to break out. Most likely tomorrow we can see a breakout of this level. Immediate resistance is at 5.00, that is technical and psychological resistance as well. Second zone that I am targeting is somewhere around here, that is 5.10. Final target should be around 5.25. These are the major zones for Emaar Properties. When the market is going up, definitely you would want to book some profits. Take this one as your target 1, take this as your target 2, or this can be also your final target. Support level or your stop loss should be right below this candle right here. So in case if you have already taken the trade, say for example you took your trade here after a retracement, your stop loss should be just below the candle and your target should be right here. This is the final target around 5.25, so that you manage your risk reward ratio. This can be a very good trade. You see your risk to reward ratio is 1:3.55. Dubai Investment Company, another very good stock which is bullish. I have been recommending this stock right from this level when it broke the resistance of 2.07 with this solid green candle. Remember, whenever market breaks important support or resistance, most likely it will come back for a retest. This was a retest of this breakout, and when you see a first buying pressure or first bullish candle, this is where you have to buy. As of now, again market is trying to cross the resistance of 2.30. Today it tried but it got rejected. Most likely tomorrow or coming week we should see it moving upwards. First target is around 2.40, then we have 2.45, and the final target that is a very strong resistance is around 2.55. Now do not expect it to just go up like this. Market will slowly and steadily move after it corrects itself again and again, and your final target should be 2.55. Dubai Islamic Bank, another stock that I had recommended in my last video. If you have missed the video, I will post a iCard right here at the top. You can click the link and watch the video to understand why I had recommended this stock. Just a quick recap, same trading plan. We know that this area is resistance. We immediately mark the resistance zone. Market tried first, it got rejected. Again, it got rejected. Third time also it tried, it got rejected. Once market broke the resistance, the same level will now potentially act as a support. This is your buy chance right here, wick at the top indicating buyers are now sitting here. Resistance was broken. When it comes down for a retest, this is your buy zone right here. As of now, DIB is looking very good. Today's closing is also very nice, 5.79, but a strong resistance is at 5.90. Market will definitely react in this zone. So if you have purchased right here, this should be a target, that is 5.90. Gulf Financial House, even after disclosing their financial results that were positive, market could not pick up and it's still under pressure. As of now, we can see a bullish chart pattern. Right here, we can see Morningstar candlestick pattern. At the same time, we can see a double bottom. Market have tested this zone twice. As of now, it's still in a no trading zone. I would be interested to buy only once it clears this resistance zone. That is 1.25. Once it clears this zone, market will be very bullish. It can even hit 1.35 and go around 1.40. Also at the same time, we can see it have broken this trend line that was acting as a resistance. Many a times it tried to cross, it got rejected, again rejection. Finally it broke the trend line, but as of now it's under pressure. There are two chart patterns that I have already mentioned. One is the Morningstar, second is the double bottom. Let's see if this time it can cross the resistance and move upwards. Guys, if my videos are helpful and if you're learning something out of it, support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Talking about Deyaar, as of now it's right at the support zone. No, I am not recommending this stock today, but you have to put this one in your stocking list. What you are doing as of now is just watching the behavior, how it's behaving right near the support zone. We know it have created a gap down, so potentially this gap will act as a resistance. At the same time, we know this is a very important zone for Deyaar. Deyaar have taken bounces from this zone very frequently. Let me highlight a particular zone. If it is tested again and again, it becomes weaker and weaker. We want to see Deyaar crossing this level, that is above 0.487. We want to see Deyaar closing above this level to be in safe zone. Otherwise, it can come down to 0.440 as well. That is the previous support zone. So this should go in your stocking list. I hope guys this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.